Hey guys, and welcome to Satisfactory. Today I want to show you my design for this whole building. This building is producing iron ingots, and it's producing 6 full belts of it. Those are Mk4 belts, so that means 2700 ingots per minute. So that's quite a lot, but they're gonna all be eaten up by my factory, that's for sure. I want to use all of this to do heavy modular frames and other stuff, supercomputers and stuff. So let me show you around. So for this design, I use an alternate recipe. I use the iron ingot alloy recipe that takes 15 iron ore and 15 copper ore per minute and outputs 45 ingots per minute. So to fill up the 6 belt, I needed 60 foundries. I do 5 per floor, so this whole thing is 12 floor I. And for every 10 foundries, so every 2 floor, 1 belt is filled. So basically, by building vertically, I had a big challenge to bring everything out, all the products out. So I had to do this whole thing, stack a lot of belt together. So basically, there's 1 belt going out here, one more here, there, and the last 2 here. For the products coming in, the ore, we need 2 full belt of copper and 2 full belt of iron. That would be ore, and the copper goes in here. See it going in from the underground, and it's the same for the iron on the other side. It all comes from the underground here. So basically, that's the way I set up my foundries. See, I put 2 belts going the whole way, and after I put the belts, I snap the splitter right onto the belt, and after that, I brought it into the foundries, and it's the same for all 5 of those for the 12 floors. For the output, let's go 1 floor higher. For the output, I do the same but with mergers. So I have 1 belt going all the way, and after the belt are all put up, like even before I put a splitter, all those belts were constructed to avoid encroaching. So I snap the merger onto the belt, and after that I connect everything. So there you have it. That's 5 output there. Um, in the back here, we see that I have 4 belts going up, 2 for iron, 2 for copper. On each floor, 2 of those belts are feeding the machines, and all of them go up. For the first 6 floor, that's the way it is, but after the first 6 floor, 2 of those belts will be empty because you would have like 30 smelter, 30 foundries that would have gotten all the product, all the ores. So for the last 6 floor, you see there's only 2 belts going up, the last iron and copper. For the output, same thing here, but like I said, I wanted 6 belts, and the big challenge was that uh, for each wall, you have 2 height for belts. So foundry needs three wall up to clear the encroachment. So basically, it's only 6 belts that you could do for one of those floor, the 3 walls. If I wanted more than 6 belts, I would have needed to do my floors like higher with 4 walls, 5 walls, and the whole thing would have just been much higher. So I decided to go with 6 because, well, it's quite high already, so that's enough. And 6 belts is plenty, but I'm gonna use it all. So that was a big challenge, and why it was a challenge is that all my belts go from side to side here. You see, all my belts go vertically, horizontally here, and that means that I'm limited to the height of the floor uh, with the number of belts. So that's 6 belts maximum. For power now, what I did was use my usual technique. I use walkways and I bring power up to each floor like that, and it goes all the way up. And I usually build this thing like right at the start of my construction, so I can go easily from floor to floor, and all the power is already there. Last thing I need to mention is that to bring all those belts up and down, I use stackable conveyor poles. Normally, I just do the two stacks, one in one hand and one at the other side. But the length from one stack to the other was too far. The belts wasn't allowing it, so I had to put two in the middle here, so that they go down, they snap here, and they still go down, or in the middle here, they go from the one stack to the middle and to the other stack. So there it is, guys. That's my foundry setup for iron ingots. That's gonna be feed my whole factory, and I have some more. Those are my smelters. They also produce iron ingots. I did those at early game, and they're still going strong. But I have too many ingots right now for my factory, so I need to build more stuff. And if you're interested in more videos like that, designs like that, let me know, and I'll do some more. So thanks you guys for watching, and have a good day.